I'm here. I'm here, chat. I'm here. That was a longer waiting period. Um, all right, we here, chat. That was a longer waiting period because my lady's leaving to Mexico 7 days. So swing by, make sure she had everything. All right, just kids off at the pool. Good morning. I hope everyone's having a fantastic morning, guys. What in the world? We finally are getting the sell-off that we've been wanting for a very long time here. Into our lows. We're gonna play continuation for shorts today, or we'll try to play continuation for shorts, see if we get a setup. Um, my initial thought process is ES. I don't think it's gonna hold this daily gap anymore. We've had multiple tap instances, one, two, about 5 taps, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't think this daily candle is gonna hold the gap. So let's look for a continuation lower. We can go for the 0.5 of this large wick here. It could be possibly used as rejection block. So keep those areas in mind for sell side. Honestly, we do need a retracement though if we're gonna play lower. If we dump off open, we're not gonna take anything. We need to see a 5 or 15-minute retracement. I think so too, Serge. I agree. We're gonna need be frank. We're gonna need this 15-minute gap. I think this 15-minute gap is what I'm eyeing right here. If we can get a move up here, continuation, that'll be good. All right, let me get the music going. I thought I had the music already playing. All right, cool. Cool. And then we got something cool to show you guys. I want to show you guys here on stream. Why not going to Mexico? I gotta work, bro. I gotta, bro. This grind season. It's grind season, bro. All right. Manoli. All right, guys. How would, be honest? Honestly, we have two 15-minute gaps. Oh my god. I hope this doesn't. This one just gets tapped into. That would be low-key ass. Bro, we have not had a single green candle for the last like 4 hours. Bullish SMT. I don't know, bro. I would not want to play a bullish reversal. If I gotta play a bullish reversal today, I need this hourly. I need so much confluence for upside. Like I need to see hourly IFG, hourly everything. Why 50%? It's a rejection block. We'll use the bottom as well, but that'd be a good trim area. Okay, this is not what we're looking for here. All right, back on the lucids. We are moving a lot, so we're gonna keep it 25 micros today. We don't really need to go any heavier size because we're moving a lot of points here. Because we have so many gaps above that I would want to wait for at least an hourly fair value gap to be formed. If you could tap this hourly, that would be good. But here's my thing. If this is a true continuation, what's going to happen is we'll probably end up leaving this hourly gap behind. If it's a true continuation. This is the fair value gap trapdoor though, so I'm kind of being a little cautious here. I'd rather see some type of reversal here at open so they can play some PD arrays. All right, guys, I have a question. How would you guys feel about Manoli hopping on? If you guys are in the community, you guys know Manoli. Manoli hopping on this channel for Asia session and running Asia streams. That's something we've been discussing. I think it'd be a really, really good asset to the channel, asset to the streams. He's someone I trust and is good at trading. So Manoli will hop on. Who is Manoli? You guys will. If you guys don't know, you guys will figure out soon. For those in the communities, already know. Manoli the goat. Facts. All right. Let's see. Chat, I'm sorry. I just like the jazz music right now, bro. I don't know. All right, no 1 minute gap here. We got the 15-minute tap. I'm looking for lower prices off this 15-minute, but there's no gap, bro. There's no gap being formed. Bro, I think this is one of those days I'm gonna take an aggressive entry. I break a day or break a structure at the lows. Oh, ES is looking a lot different. Okay, this is good. ES has a lot of structure. We can wait for this IFGs here. Why are we getting different looks on the market here? Why is ES doing this again? I would be open to shorting this low break on NQ, but we'll wait for ES to kind of align itself as well. No, ask Manoli if he's in. All right, guys, drop a like on the stream. I appreciate you guys for being here. As always, yesterday was a banger stream. We waited, and had a really nice move. Yeah, if we get a reversal, I'm gonna need a reversal move. Like, the thing is, I'm open to both sides. I'm leaning bearish, but I'm open to play both sides if it comes to that, right? I'm just gonna need moves through at least the 50% of this range. Like, I would need above at least 900s for me to play long today. Could we do have low resistance here? I understand. Probably gonna need an IFG here at this 15-minute gap, and also would ideally like to see this hourly candle expand so much higher within the next 25 minutes if we're gonna have a reversal that we don't create a bearish fair value gap. Does that make sense? Does that make sense? ES is really strong. We are moving a lot of points. Make sure you guys are sizing down. These are casual 100-point swings, and especially if you're trading ES, this is like a 30-point swing right there. All right, guys, while we let this play out, I'm gonna show you guys something we've been working on here real quick. All right, guys, we have launched the website here, right? We launched Desi Trades. Lower music. I'm actually gonna turn this off for that. We launched DesiTrades.com. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like and what it all entails while we let this market structure kind of play out. So this is going to be a website where you have education and also more information about the inner capital. So a little bit about this website. It has my verified proof of, prop firm payouts, live account payouts, all that good stuff. You can join the live stream from here as well. But join stream and you can watch it on the site. Some testimonials, and then kind of my story here, and also my podcasts all in one place. Some of the rules that I have, and then some Q&As about what this actually is. So we'll have who is Desi Trades, what is the stream, signal service, and all that. And this is, if you want to get more access with the inner capital, make sure you guys are on the list. Now, so you put me on the list, and it'll have first name, last name, email. A good thing about this, and something we've been working towards, and we still got to fix some of these, is the short form content that I posted. We turned this into an article, and in the article here, you guys can get examples of it. So I want you guys to read the articles, you will get a deeper understanding of what the concept that's being taught looks like. And then you go and watch the video and make a lot more sense. It has the entire breakdown of this entire video in writing form. And I do believe in writing form is going to be a lot better for a lot of people to understand. So I would definitely suggest looking at this and then watching the short form videos. Every day the library is going to be growing. We have, I think, 6 posts right here so far. Look at this. We talk about the no wick manipulation and how it looks. Very, very, very high probability trading models, and it's all broken down into wording. Guys, keep in mind the wording is going to be a lot more beneficial to your trading than just watching the video straight up. So that is the website. And if you guys are interested in the Inner Capital, make sure you guys get your name down on the list. You guys will be hearing it first, those on the list. I'm going to link the website down here in the description or in the chat here. Make sure you guys go and check it out. Put your name on the list, and then check out the educational functions from the actual website as well. Make sure you guys go read into what it is. All right, real quick. I just want to kind of talk about that. All right, back to the charts here. We're gonna get a nice move up. We have so much, I guess, so many bearish PD rays along this way that I would need to see at least this 15-minute gap here go, and then I can start playing higher. Until then, we'll kind of just chill for now. I think we can use this IFG here at 933 as a possible entry for a continuation lower if we get it. I really like the daily buy section. Yeah, it has amazing content, bro. Like all the reels is gonna be put into that article format. It's gonna be really good. Lamo Ank, it's your birthday. Happy birthday, man. Happy birthday, happy birthday. What's Inner Capital is going to be my live mentorship. We'll kind of, if you're on the list, you will know what the live mentorship is going to be looking like. We already have Inner Capital members in the chat here as well. Appreciate you, Air Funish. Happy birthday to all the birthdays out there. All right, guys, drop a like on the stream while we let this market structure play out. We're gonna run our 2-hour live stream today, so we'll let the market structure play out for a good amount of time before we take our trade. We'll have the executions here again. You guys seem to love that, so we'll just keep that. These are fresh 150K counts. We're at a 151.3 right now, so. All right, we're kind of grinding higher. This is what I mean. Like, this 1 hour fair value gap might not hold. If we push up to 918 here before this hourly close, won't create a fair value gap. W surge. It's an interesting look here. It really is. All right, so look, we already kind of have the structure forming. If we're gonna go higher, we should go and retrace into this 5-minute gap, right, at the minimum, because 5-minute also has no wick. So we can either look for this. What the fuck? All right, maybe the candle starts moving to the left here, or we can look for a continuation off the 5-minute gap. But definitely gonna need some retracements along the way as we go. This 5-minute candle has no wick, so I'm expecting this to at least get tapped back into for the next 2 or 3 5-minute candles. Do you think it's high resistance? It's gonna be high resistance as we're in the PD arrays, but once we clear, like I would say, once we clear this 8 a.m. high and we get above this is smooth sailing for this low resistance liquidity. But we just need to stay patient here, because obviously we're gonna need a lot of time for this reversal to happen. Especially as the 4-hour and the 1-hour close. And also, I would like to see some pullbacks into, like, if we're gonna get a, yeah, it's clear for that OB. We'll go, yeah, 100%. Especially if we're gonna get a continuation, I want to see some bullish gaps that are being created now get tapped into. Thoughts about longing into the 1 hour unmitigated? I don't mind it. I do think above, like, we're almost there, right? In terms of like we're gonna look at. I think it's gonna be an overall very volatile day. If we get above this structure here, I am gonna be mega bullish. If we get above this structure here, because then we just have these highs left behind, and that's gonna be easy to tap into. So for me, it's like either we get a retracement to these 5 or 15-minute gaps along the way to the upside, or we get above this structure here and we can look for this. We can look for this. Something like that. Those are my two bullish cases of what I'm looking for. Bro, this jazz music is literally legendary, bro. Yeah, some breaker action. We'll definitely wait for this hourly close here in 4 hour. I'm kind of processing information as we're getting as well here with you guys. One second. What do you think of the daily? We'll see how today closes, right? If we get, hey, here's my thing. If this NQ chart closes below this daily structure, that'll be, I think we'll go a leg lower into another monthly gap tap. But all right, let me clear up the chart, bro. Fucking start drawing trend lines over here. But guys, this is why I'm being very cautious. We're gonna have to wait. Patience is key here. You can get whiplash really fast in these PD arrays. Do not front run the PD arrays. That is the biggest thing. Congrats on 20K. Yes, sir. Guys, tomorrow, join the AM stream. We are going to give away 10 Lucid accounts on stream. Usually we do 2 a day. We're going to give away 10 for hitting 20K. Appreciate you guys. It's going to be a lot of fun. I almost want to use the Discord bots so I can just see everyone outrage, but I'll figure something out today. I mean, let's say we're doing 20. Oh, hell no. Brother, 20 accounts? Bro, we already give away so many accounts per day. Now y'all just being greedy. I'm not going to lie. Now y'all just being greedy. I'm going to be completely honest. Your greed sickens me. We'll see. I'll see how many smart profit points I have as well, and I can use those and get more crates. Put the names in a hat. Shit, we'll be here forever. I'm long. My boy caught the 5-minute IFG. Okay, cool. Solid. I personally, it's too early for me, but I'm guessing, which one did you catch? Curious here. All right, I'll tell you guys one thing though. If ES gets a 5-minute IFG, I'm shorting this for sure. The downside. Big if, but if we do, I'll look for that. Yo, can any mod ban that guy? I got it. If I get 10, 25K pro, I fucking hope not. But guys, drop a like on the stream right now. We got almost 1,200 people in here with 100 likes. Drop a like. We'll do a giveaway here at 350 likes. Here, we're gonna start doing this, bro. We're gonna make a poll. Or we're gonna do a, not a poll. What is this? Okay, I don't know how to work this Discord or this YouTube shit. I think it is a poll. This is gonna be the like rate for what we're gonna have. You guys can see it as it happens. All right, this looks really bearish here. I'm not gonna lie. I might jab this on NQ. I might jab this on NQ. I'm not gonna lie. Let me see what the RR is looking like. Down into low a day is good. And a 50% of this wick. Once the ES gets its full IFG, I'm gonna jab this short. And we'll target the 50% of this wick on the hourly time frame here. I think we sell today. I'd rather play a continuation to lower prices. Yeah, about 10 more minutes, we'll probably get a good trade here. It'll kind of help us wait too, because ES is in this daily gap or 5-minute gap, excuse me. I don't want to front run anything. This looks like a great short. This looks like a fantastic short. I might even jab this off the 1-minute OB that gets created here. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Bro, how did I fucking delete this fucking wick, bro? How does that even make sense? All right, chat. I'm gonna jab this short here. We'll sell the ask here. Where's our stop loss at? 850s. Sell, buy, and then we're targeting 539. I am slightly breaking my rules here in terms of front running, but I like NQ over ES. This is gonna be a purely biased type of trade. I would suggest you guys take this on options over futures for sure, if you guys are options traders. About $1,000 risk. It's not much. Wait, what size did I enter with? Guys, give me a second. This is supposed to be half risk here, and then add 5 micros. So let me take a. We'll add on the confirmation. So okay. I messed up my fill there. We'll add on the confirmation. All right. Little mental lapse there. All right, there's our stop loss up there. We'll add. We have 3 micros. We'll add 2 as we get the confirmation. Pretty much like a starter position here. Why options over futures? Because it's pretty volatile. You catch a nice IB spike on options. I'm looking at the options chain. It's pretty good right now. Not too expensive. I did half my like the 5 micro size because I am slightly front running this move. If I take this loss, I'm gonna beat myself over it. I know I am for front running this. It's all good. We have a decent stop at 850s. If we get hit for this, we'll look for a continuation. I want her to give it at least 1 go here before anything. We'll give this the go for shorts. If we get an upside move, I'll probably have to play the structure break above high day. All right. Gave it a jab for 3 micros here. We'll probably get hit for a stop here. All right, moving forward. We obviously know what we did wrong. We front ran the move, which is fine. I'm not too worried about that with the size that we took. For continuation, we know what we're looking for now for lower. It's going to be that inversion down there. For upside though, it gets a little tricky. There's not a lot of OBs up here or anything that we can use. So just keeping this in mind. We'll see how, if we get stopped out here and price breaks above this high day area, we'll see what kind of PD arrays we create on the move up. What's going to happen here is we're going to probably create this hourly gap on, there's no hourly gap. Okay, it's not that bad. No hourly gap on ES or NQ from this move, which is decent. All right, let's let this play out. And end this trade. If we go back into profits and get that 5-minute IFEG, I will add my other. I would add at the 5-minute IFEG underneath. Damn, bro, we had a shitty ass entry. My God, we had a shitty ass entry. All right, guys, we're at 270 likes. We got 80 more likes, and we'll do a giveaway. 80 more likes, we'll do a giveaway here. $80 more likes. You always a 1-2? No, it's just where my TPs are. As long as a 1-1 is fine. As long as a 1-1 is fine. Anything higher than that, it works as well. Or anything like more than that. I just don't go for negative R. All right, almost at that like goal. Let me get the crate open, guys. 40 more likes. We'll do a little crate opening here. We've been on a bad run of 25K counts. Hopefully today's the day we change it. It's not going to be a day. I'll tell you that much, though. We're about to open up a fresh 25K flex account right now. Where is my codes? I'm kind of running out of code, chat. I'm kind of homeless. Okay, that one's taken. I think these are all taken. Oh, we got it. All right. All right, we got it. We got it. We got it. Chat, I had to front run this fucking entry on this crate opening, bro, because I accidentally put the key in. All right. Give us something good, bitch. Bro, I'm done with this shit. I'm not gonna lie. Every fucking day, it's the same bullshit, bro. Same bullshit. Every day. I'll grab some fucking water, bro. Fuck me. Fuck me. Guys, you guys know what this means, right? Tomorrow's loot crate opening is about to be the most legendary crate opening you guys have ever seen since Advanced Warfare Supply. You know, bro. You know. All right, what's our next like goal? 420 likes. Not gonna lie, your boy's right. Yo, Matt, you want to fund the other 10 accounts, bro? Are you offering? Yeah, it is. Wait, is Matt offering to fund the other 20 accounts? Like a supply crates or something. All right, guys. If you guys are just tuning in, I have it pinned in the thing. DesiTrades.com is live now. And also, if you want more information about the Intercapital, make sure first name, last name, email. If you go to the educational section, we have our short form turned into articles with examples you can read. A lot of good stuff here. Make sure you guys go check it out. It's pinned on the thing above. Where the music from with the Kyoto? I gotta add this to the Nightbot shit, or the bot. Since he wants to stream Asia early gift. Won the big knife? I don't know, Serge. We're kind of just holding these lows, which don't make a lot of sense to me. This is ES to go here. I'm gonna add more as ES inverses this, but ES needs to inverse this. Our entry is so shit, bro. Like this is a god awful entry, which is good as with the micros. It's fine. We have a small hourly gap. I would like to see that stay unmitigated. It's not a bad entry. It's good for half hour because I front ran the IFVG. That's it. Which is why I went 3 micros, and I'll add the rest of the 2 if we get the IFVG. That's the only way I'm saying it. If you have a wide stop, it's fine. Like, I ideally wanted to go lower before. We're kind of floating in this area here, which is okay. But the unmitigated gap there is kind of throwing me off now. I would want the price to expand away from the unmitigated gap as we approach the new hourly open, but we did not. So. What another shitty open, bro. No move either way. Bro, I pity myself for these kind of entries. When you see it makes sense, everyone's saying, man, it's the process. Yeah, bro, it's all good, bro. It's just trading. You know, coming into today, I was talking to myself. I was like, okay, I'm, looking at what price action is doing. I'm not going to need a lot of size, but if I do front run anything in terms of like, because sometimes I would front run things because obviously trader discretion, right? And because of the volatility. So I was like, this could be one of those moves where we drop a lot before the IFVG forms or the change of state of delivery really forms, which is why I'm fine taking it with half size. ICT says a lot of stuff, bro. If you follow everything he says about not trading, you will never take a trade. And I think he's a great teacher, but at some point, trader discretion needs to take over versus what another man says all the time. Holy chopped cheese, I know, bro. I would have already wanted to see it kind of either go higher and start gravitating towards overnight highs, or kind of stray away from the PD arrays and go into his lows, especially at the first 30 minutes here. The volatility was really nice going into the market, but then it kind of... Yo, can someone ban King Kong, please? Is any mod in here? One second, chat. Lord, if you love me, hit take profit. Lord, if you love me, hit take profit. I'm gonna start singing on stream, chat. All right, let's do. If you look away from the chart, oh, so you want to start doom scrolling at this point. So let's see what Instagram Reels is talking about. Hey, this shit not working, bro. This shit not working. Bro, this shit's not working. We're going the wrong way. What in the fucking high resistance is this, bro? All right, guys. 50 more likes. We do another giveaway here. Drop that ass on the like button. We'll do all the, like, we'll give the actual accounts away towards the end of the stream. We open the crates and then we'll give away the accounts. This just opens so choppy, bro. Oh, I hate the fucking structure that's forming, bro. I really do. I'm not gonna lie. I hate it a lot. I need Tory trades to come and bless this trade and reject the trend line. Tory trades, do you hear me?
Here's a full breakdown of my strategy in 69 seconds. We're looking at gold in a 4-hour time frame.
All right, guys, let's learn.
Downward line and an upward line. You guys know that my A+ setup is a 3 touch point trend line break, right?
1, 2, 3.
Now the price has not downward trend line. Now let's wait for the break.
No, she would long this, chat. She would long
Price
this.
just broke out of our downward 3 touch point trend line. That means
Fuck.
long positions. We're gonna hit the buy button here. We are currently in a long
Fuck,
position
dude.
in gold. Now to reduce our risk, we're gonna come in with a steeper trend line. Point A, point B. All right, now let's focus on trade management. We need to know how long.
Okay, no
it's
bullish
been
trend line
for.
yet.
As the price continues to move in our favor, you can see it just crossed another trend line. You can consider this additional confirmation. This is a good time to either add to your position or feel more confident in the position you're already in. Now, price is moving aggressively in our favor. We're currently up $6,400.
Ball knowledge right there, chat. She's long to all-time highs. Wallahi, it's over. You know, I actually don't mind her like style at all. It is what it is, bro. Like I don't think like people always make fun of her, but she has like no beef with anyone. All right, guys, 2 more likes. We'll do our second crate. If we hit TP, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm probably not gonna add on this trade just because of how choppy this shit actually is getting. It's getting pretty low probability here. Getting pretty low probability. Bro, what the fuck is this, bro? If we get a 25K account right now, you know what? Give me a 25K account. I want a 25K account. I'm fiending for a 25K account. I want the 25K, bro. I don't want anything else besides the 25K account. Fuck, dude. Dude. Fuck. Oh my god, and I'm linking the code. Fuck. Fuck, man. And I leaked the goddamn code. God fucking damn it, bro. Oh my god, bro. Ah! Dude, whoever gets it gets it. I don't even care anymore. I don't give a fuck. I don't care. I don't care. I don't fucking care, bro. I don't care. I don't care. Take it, bro. Take it. I don't care. Fuck it, bro. I don't even care no more. I'm so sorry, Brian Stonk. I have failed you. I have failed you, Brian. I have failed you. I have truly failed Brian Stonk right here. I can't see who took it now. Bro said it need to stop leaking. Fuck, bro. God damn it, dude. That was not intentional at all, bro. I was so distraught by fucking the 25Ks. Did someone already claim them? You guys probably go back and stream. Fuck, dude. Yeah, that shit's gone, dude. You guys are fucking fiends. All right, we'll do some more as we go. I do want to get some away too. God, bro. Can we hit TP, bro? I'm about to crash out right now. On another note, though, 10 crates tomorrow. 10 25k accounts tomorrow. And I can't wait to LARP and be like, I gave away 250k, guys. What'd you do for 20k? I gave away $250,000. That's gonna look great on any resume. So how's the weather, guys? I really don't like the LRLR being created. I'm not gonna lie. Beautiful day, 75 and sunny. Love to see it. All right. All right. When's our next giveaway, bro? 500 likes. I'm about to hit 500 likes too. 5 down. Leak the codes. We're giving away all the things we have. Went on a weighted best walk with a dog to get coffee and bagel. Yo, Serge, is weighted best walks to move? I heard it's hard on the joints. Is that I don't want to hurt myself. Don't worry, guys. I have the YouTube chat pulled up on my phone. All right. It's easier for me to look down versus look like this. Kind of funny when you hear the background music and you see that. I'm tired. You should be fine. Okay, okay. I'm Unk, bro. I'm Unk. I'll put the giveaways in the Discord. Obviously, I kind of gave that away already on accident. You're not old enough to worry about joints, bro. I'm 23. My knees don't work like when I was 22. Oh, what is this market doing? What is YM doing? Everything is in a chop fest here. Literal chop fest. I don't look 23. What do you mean by that? Knee pads. What do you mean by that? Dude, I can't figure out how to put my whoop together. I mean, kind of came out on its own yesterday, but kind of struggling. Bro, I did not expect this day to be this shit. I'm not gonna lie, in terms of trading wise. Like, I really thought we were gonna get some good price action today. I guess I was wrong in my assessment. This is just literally so much chop, chat. I at this point, that whatever win lost, bro, it's not even worth it, bro. Break the trend line? Oh, you're a op, bro. You're just very heavy. Why is this not working? Close out BE? No. I'm not in a large, I'm not in like a heavy size for, oh, you know, I'm gonna go break even or whatever. Like, or I'm not even in full size yet for what I want to trade today. For those joining in, make sure you put your name on destinytrades.com, the website here. You get access to things that other people don't. Hey, you guys remember when I said I don't care about hitting TP? Lord, please let us hit TP. Probably go break even at these lows at 658 if we get the lows. All right. Remember when I said I lied? No, dead ass. I do want to see these lows get jabbed, and then whatever happens from there. If we get S&T, or you know, if we'll go break even, we'll just protect our stops regardless. Get this. Why is there a daily? Is there a daily gap? There's a. It's not a daily inversion. But we do have this 4-hour IFVG. So like, looking at this from a logical standpoint, is this 4-hour gap has been holding for so long, right? And we finally got the IFVG. The only reason I believe is high resistance is because ES already took out that low, ES and C on the 4-hour, right? ES has technically already swept these lows. But we still have so much more liquidity underneath us that I would want for us to tap. But we're just literally back and forth, bro. Look at this 1 minute time frame. Like, it's just terrible, bro. And Q contract color, what's good? What's good? All right, guys, we got 13 more likes. We'll open up our third loot crate. The other loot crate will be at 600 likes. If we push 600, we'll do another one. Fucking Christmas morning, bro. Let me get the account up and ready. Disney music, it's just jazz, bro. We're on that jazz vibe. We're changed men. All right. Please give us something good. All right, a 50K, we'll take it. We'll take it. Let me not leak it. So let's move it to the side. All right, we have 150K to give away. Sorry, guys. We would have had 3 total accounts, but I accidentally leaked the other 2. All right, cool. And we still got some time on stream. I'm gonna run for 2 hours today. So we hit all of our goals that we had right there. So let me close that poll. Let me create another one. Start poll. Let's do Let's do 625 likes for Lucid crate number 4. And then let's do 750 for Lucid crate number 5. I think that should be good. Cool. Cool. Dude, I just don't like the low resistance building up here. If we get, look, I don't mind if we take this low out and then we go higher, that's fine. I want that liquidity sweep so we can at least protect our stops. Very minimum. All right, let me grab some more water, BRB. We're on our health grind. I don't like that LR me neither. I'm not gonna touch a trade though. Whatever happens, happens. Alrighty. All right. Should we just start the giveaway right now? Let's do one of the giveaways right now. You guys aren't waiting forever on this. I think it's a Lucid 50K flex. I like this giveaway so I can see how many people enter this spot. So 3 minutes. One winner, 50K flex. If it doesn't work, click it multiple times, bro. Oh shit, it's already not working. All right, it got me in, I think. That's why I did 3 minutes. Just keep clicking it, bro. Keep clicking, chat. Keep jabbing. There you go. We're in the giveaway. Let me link you guys server if you guys aren't in the server. If you can't click join, just keep pressing it, bro. Oh no, I think the bot's about to break. Just keep spamming it, bro. Keep spamming it. Horses don't stop. They keep going, bro. All right. This bot is actually... All right. We already have 400 entries. Usually we have like... How many entries did we have yesterday? 470. So anything around 400 is good. Oh shit! Oh shit! Order filled. Order filled. Go break even. Let's go. Let's go. Actually, fuck it. Let's take a trim. This price action. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. Chat, we got like 500 bucks on each account right there with 1 mic or 3 micros. Good. All right, go break even on that one. Trim TP break even. About a 1-to-1 at the first low here. It was a nonchalant gimmick that worked out for us. All right, let me get situated here. Where's the chat at? Where's the chat? Where's the chat? There it is. Chat, type 1 if you guys took the trade. Let's see it. Let's see how many of you guys took the trade. Spam 1 if you guys took this short setup with me here live. Yep. Every day. Every day. Good work, everyone. Good work. Good work. Good work. Good fucking shit, chat. All right, I'm expecting, honestly, this probably gets a reversal here soon. So to make sure you are protecting your stops, because we have some LR built up. The giveaway winner is Sandy. Congratulations, Sandeep. Congratulations. Hey, I think it's the first winner too. This bot's low-key been hooping, chat. This bot is picking up nicely. All right, guys, 625 likes for a 4th crate. We are almost there. So giveaways are entirely dependent on you guys. We would have had 3. My bad. I fucking leaked the other shit. Stop loss got hit first. Where's your stop loss place? All right, solid trades. I don't hate it. I don't hate it. Break even and the rest. What is Intercapital? Make sure you guys go to desitrades.com. Put your name on the list. You guys will hear what Intercapital is before anyone else. And I doesn't know. It doesn't work like that. Doing anything but working. Okay, now if you're bullish, you can look for a bullish move back up. Now you can. If we get a 5-minute break of structure here, you can look for that lower resistance to be kind of dealt through. I'm not going to take it long. I don't want to go back-to-back trades so fast. But just something to note. Anyone know how to take Lucid? It should be same as like the other brokers, right? Where you just put your buy and sell stops. ES equal lows. This low key. Low key. Sturdy, I would wait for at least a 5-minute close, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Personally, we'll see. Your guys are crazy if you think I'm jabbing a 1.5% down day on a 1-minute gap. For a reversal. If it was continuation, it makes sense, but not for a reversal. We'll see how this goes the rest of this. I want to see these lows get tacked, bro. And if this daily could get a break of structure to the downside, that'd be so good. Taking a trade so far? Yeah, we took one trade. We got hit for TP and break even. So we took partials here and then we got break even on rest. I kind of fucked up my order here, so I'm only up $200 per account. How much did I lose on this one? Fuck it, is what it is, bro. We were up $500 in this position. I fucked up my order here, which caused me to lose a little bit more than I would have liked. Fine. Which they are the select accounts. You could pick which one out of the select accounts you like, or you could pick the 5-day, I think, and then the 1-day. Day. So there is one more prop firm I am going to be looking at. I'm not going to talk about it yet because I want to actually trade it first. It is let me see if I have the link. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? So we're looking. I'm gonna look at this prop firm. Oh, this can't paste it. It's called Brian was talking about that yesterday. It's Blue Sky. I've never heard about it. I'm not gonna lie, but I'm gonna give this a go because I heard it's like TPT, but with no trailing drawdown. I had consistency on the eval, but the funded is like TPT with daily payouts. So was a live account. So I'm kind of curious about it. Chat, you guys have no idea how badly I want to jab this 1-minute IFEG short to lows. Truly, I'm so bearish today. I think we're gonna get a continuation. Is it? No, it's Blue Sky. I think Blue Sky trading. So it's like TPT, which is good. It has a draw. It has a consistency on the eval, which is fine. It doesn't have the consistency on, or it doesn't have trailing drawdown, which is really, really good in my opinion. I'd rather have consistency than trailing drawdown. And this is why. Look at the 5-minute structure, bro. We got no closes above the wicks here. Chat, I wanna jab this. I'm not gonna lie. At least until ES lows. No, TPT run's still in place. My boss saw me trading. Is it 3-step? Let me see. Wait, let me ask Brian. Let me ask him. He has more information. Bro. ES, at least to ES low, you can this chart works. I'm just super bearish. And this is very high resistance. So I kind of talked about this yesterday or the other day with Intercapital members. When we have high resistance like this, when we have good draw, you can jab multiple times. What's YM doing? I think YM's everything's almost everything's in sync right now. As long as ES and NQ are in sync, it's always a good sign, which they are right now. It's not a 3-step eval. No. All right, guys. We can still do more giveaways as you guys. Did I say what? In sync, bro. In sync. I have a feeling PM will be elite. It could be. It has good possibility. I want lower, bro. I want into 28,400s overall. Big Dosa guy. We already took a trade. We got partials and break even, and then we're continuing lower here. This is not a bad setup though. I don't mind downside here. I don't even mind jabbing this, honestly. To be completely honest with you. I'm so bearish on the move. Move down. I don't think we have any more important earnings, right, this week? I think it's just next week now. We have Intel. Is today Thursday? Yeah, we have Intel. About it. What is Bitcoin doing? I haven't even checked my positions yet. I have not, Ray. I have not. ES lows are coming. ES lows are coming. Lower, please. Lower. We're a good call on the unmitigated gap staying there, which is good. It was all just open, high, low, close. The lower time frame just didn't align as well as I would have hoped for it to. That's totally fine. We had a plan coming in. We took the trade, which is fine. And then we caught some green. And we just wait. I mean, it's fine because in bearish conditions, we create a lot of low resistance overall, right? And we just don't sweep it, which is totally fine. The reactions were a little too aggressive for my liking, which it happens. And this is where, like, look, we had the higher time frame bias, we had the lower time frame bias, and we even caught some green, right? So now it's like, there's nothing to be upset about or mad about, right? The biggest thing you guys need to take away from this setup here is I didn't flip-flop bias, bro. That's the biggest thing. I didn't be like, oh my god, we got an IFEG chain of state delivery here, and then go long. I didn't go long, you know, and then, oh my god, now I got a short again, and then it gets stopped. I'm not flip-flopping biases. What happens is this right here is going to cause you to flip-flop. If you're flip-flopping biases, you're upset as fuck right now. You're like, oh my god, I was right. Bro, that's how you fucking lose, is when you flip-flop biases over and over again, looking at the 1 minute time frame. Zoom out, bro. Zoom out. What was happening in our New York Open? We got the rejection out of our PD arrays, right? We had multiple 15-minute gap PD arrays. If we needed to move higher, we'd get above this order block right here. So noting that we rejected all 3 gaps, this entire 15-minute structure here is one large gap in my eyes, right? That's what I always use it as. And usually we create a 1 hour gap, but we didn't here, which is totally fine. Looking at the 5 minute, what happened in the 5 minute? We got our manipulation leg up into our PD arrays, came right back down. What happened on the 1 minute? We're obviously bearish overall because we have, before going to New York Open, what did we notice? Guys, we had our 4 hour IFEG from a fair value gap that held 5 times, right? So you can expect some continuation going into New York. So putting all those steps together, your job as a trader is to get into your trade and leave it alone. Whatever entry you had, we obviously had an entry down here, whatever it was. I could have easily went back and forth. I could have killed the trade for break even. I could have added whatever. You need to stay consistent with what you're doing. A lot of traders probably took so many losses here, both ways. Upside, downside, everything. They just took losses. And if you took a trim and got break even, that's totally fine. That's part of your system, right? Just like we did. I knew exactly what I wanted. I wanted a trim. Rest of stops at break even. We got hit for break even, whatever. Now, am I upset about that is continuing my way? No. I followed my plan. I followed my system. I had a plan going in to market open, and I followed it exactly how I wanted to. Your job as a trader is to survive this. And a lot of people cannot survive this price action. And that's why I say, if you have the luxury to walk away from a trade after you enter, you need to be doing that. You're not going to get any smarter while in the trade. Here, you're going to be like, oh my God, IFG, chain of state delivery, or this bearish for value gap's not holding. And it's all 1 minute noise while the 15 minute and the 1 hour continue making new lows. We're almost at the 50% of this rejection block here. Give me 1 second, chat. Explain why you didn't read short. I'm just not interested. I took my jab. I'm fine with it. I'll wait for a PM session. I think the PM session could be good. I got you, Arvin. I would expect this continuation grind lower. Like I said, the rejection block is here, so keep that in mind. We can use the entirety of the wick as TP as well. So 407 would be my ultimate draw for today. After that, I don't know. But even if you're short here, I would definitely look to take some trims at this area if you're still short. Giveaway, we got the next giveaway if you hit 625 likes. If price create a 1 hour bearish change to deliver at the premium, like, so you're talking about here somewhere. I mean, I would still play continuation. I think this is overall going to just continue lower. When we have 4 hour candles like this, I always try to say, do not look for a reversal until the 4 hour candle's fully finished. kind of helps you avoid taking unnecessary losses. And then as the 4 hour kind of develops, let's say we do get a flip, then the 15-minute hourly will also flip, right? So you can use that as confluence. But trying to cherry pick the lows of this, like a 4 hour candle like this, is never a smart idea. If you're created a 1 hour bearish change to delivery, you definitely want to look for continuation of shorts. I want one more tap in the monthly gap. Currently I want basically previous week low, right? Look, just like last week or 2 weeks ago, we had this bearish order block up here. What do? Open high, low close. Another bearish order block right here. You can use this 2 candles. Another open high, low close. And if you're just looking at this from a support and resistance level, this is what the traders use, right? This is literally SNR kind of in a sense. The 4 hour candle ends in another 3 hours. I want to target previous week low on NQ. ES has already taken out previous week low. But overall, there's a lot of structure on the weekly. Like this weekly has no wick, bro. This weekly has no wick on ES. So I want that to get tapped into before anything else as well. So I want ES to eventually drop into these lows, and the NQ take out previous week lows, and then it'll be smooth sailing. I would take partials here because we're at the rejection block, and then have rest of your contracts for this low. We took this chain of state delivery here, I'm guessing. All this was a manipulation into our, so like going into our open, you know, if you're looking at this for a reversal, you're trying to play a reversal off of this, off the 930 open when we have a almost 2% drop, right? And what happens is when you have so many 5-minute candles that are bearish, we're gonna have higher time frame PD arrays here. What did we have? We had the 15-minute gaps. We had 3 of them. We had 1, 2, 3. Until we get above all 3, this is not going to be high probability longs. So that extra patience will help you. A candle with no wick is like a girl with no boyfriend. They should be taken. I guess. Yeah, it's also called Devil's Mark. Yeah. Yep. It is indeed. It is indeed. It's just gonna be a continuation lower. It's all good, bro. It happens. It's all good. We're gonna create another 5-minute OB here, which is good. I want to see this bearish PD raise continue to being created on the way down. ES is also having that here. I was waiting for a reaction, right? And the opening reaction was not, it wasn't enough confirmation for me to go long off that SMT. Also, the 4-hour IFEG at where NQ had respected like 5 times previously kind of made me more bearish. Then get larger account size. If you're truly profitable, right? Don't lie to yourself. Then you should get a larger account size. Is off. Oops. No, I literally got hit for break even here. We took our trim and got hit for break even. I'm totally content with this move. It is what it is. But I wasn't talking anyways. Yeah. One of the best things you can do yourself is not lie. Yeah, 100%. I try to get better entries in a no more deal than you need, or not sizing down. Yeah, I made 40K in the beginning of the year until May, and then June I was like a whole donut. I blew 6 accounts in 2 months. Oh, I was muted the whole time with the 5-minute gap? My bad. All right, we got 25 more likes. We'll do another crate opening. I just spit everywhere. Guys, make sure to tune in tomorrow AM stream. We're gonna have a massive giveaway. Massive giveaway. We'll be live again for the PM stream as always. Oh, double streams. All right, second day in a row we did 2-hour AM stream. You guys have been fucking with the AM stream 2 hours. I'll wrap up trading here as well today. Solid overall. I'm not mad about it. It's good. Yes. All right, cool. We'll keep those going then. It'll be like 80 minutes on the PM stream and then 2 hours for AM. And then we have Manoli soon coming in for Asia. So we're gonna be Dicey Trades channel will be live on Asia as well. Where can I see when you'll be live? You can join the Discord or just keep notifications on this channel. Where can we long? I would not long until we get an hourly. I wouldn't long until this 4-hour candle closes. Do not long until the 4-hour candle closes. Because even if we get a reversal and this 4-hour creates a wick, the 15-minute and the hourly structure will shift to the upside. Do not long in this 4-hour candle. Simple as that. Just wait for this 4-hour candle to close. Keep you from being lonely in the mornings. Oh. Don't long the 4-hour candle, chat. I'm telling you, it's just new lows, new lows, new lows. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. We're gonna go to this ES wick. This ES previous week low, right? 3 weeks ago. We have a devil's mark here, aka no wick, no manipulation. So I do believe this is gonna be the ultimate draw here for ES. So do not be surprised. NQ is past the 50% of this projection block. That's really good. The next trim would be at the 407 area, at the hourly low. I mean, I used EMAs way back in the day, but when I started learning about ICT, it kind of cleared up the chart and helped me understand what's happening and why it's happening. You're an OG trader in the trading industry. Yeah, I mean, 2021. I mean, I've seen so many people come and go on like socials and Twitter, and you know, people try to be content creators before they were actually good at trading, and that kind of probably cooked them. It's such a clean setup. A daily gap rejected. We had SMT. The 4-hour inversion gave me my bias. After that, it was smooth sailing. We had all this low resistance built up too, right? This LR. The lower time frame, you can see a lot better. I would expect like any PDA raise on the 5 and 15 minutes to be tapped into right now and just continue lower. Every single one. Until we hit these lows on NQ. These 400 lows. The weekly time frame, this is what the daily looks like. Why does my indicator go away, bro? Why does it not save? It's a pretty candle, I'll tell you that much. You're still streaming? Yeah, I'm about to hop off literally right now. All right, guys. I appreciate everyone for hopping on with 2 hours, another AM stream, bro. It was another banger stream. Appreciate all the love and support. We'll be back in the PM session, 1 p.m. East, 1:15 p.m. Eastern. Wait. Jason, are you here? What time do we have a meeting today? We got a meeting at 11 today. Chat, I don't know when we're gonna go live for PM. I have a meeting today at 11. We might start at 9:45. I'm not gonna lie. We might start in an hour and a half. I think we might start in an hour and a half. That would be better. I'll see you guys in 90 minutes then. How about that? We'll start an early stream. All right. I'll talk to you guys. Peace and love.